You ever been reading along and bam, a word just stops you in your tracks? It's a word you know, but in that sentence, it just feels off. It happens to all of us, and it's because some words have more than one job. But what if I told you there's a simple trick to figure it out every single time? Well, let's get into it.
Okay, let's kick things off with a super common word. What does park mean? No, really, think about it for a sec. What's the very first thing that pops into your head? You got it? So maybe you pictured, a big grassy space with trees and a playground. Or maybe you thought about squeezing your car into a tight spot on the street. And here's the wild part. You're both right. That's the whole challenge right there. One little word can mean two completely different things. So how in the world do we know which meaning is the right one in any given sentence? Well, it's not a guessing game. There's an actual, simple routine you can lean on every single time to unlock the right meaning. So here it is, the main event, your 3-step routine. This is going to be your new best friend for figuring out tricky words. Let me break it down for you.
It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. First, step 1, read the whole sentence. Seriously, don't just stop at the word. Step 2, find the clue. You gotta be a detective and hunt for other words that give you hints. And finally, step 3, test the meaning. Just plug in the different options and see which one makes the sentence actually make sense.
And if you want an easy way to burn this into your brain, just think of this little formula. The whole sentence points you to the clue, and the clue gives you the meaning. Simple, right? All right, talk is cheap. Let's put this routine into practice. I'm going to go first and show you how it works with the word current. Just watch me work through the 3 steps.
Okay, step 1, read the whole sentence. The current plan adds 2 shade sails above the play area. Done. See? I didn't just stop at current. I read all the way through to get the full picture.
So what could current mean? It could mean happening now. It could mean a flow of water, like in a river. Or it could even mean electrical energy. Our job is to figure out which one fits this sentence.
Now for step 2, find the clue. Let's look at that sentence again. Is there another word that helps us out? Oh yeah, it's the word plan. The sentence is about a plan, not a river or electricity. That's our golden clue right there. And finally, step 3, test the meanings. Let's try plugging them in. The flow of water plan? No, that sounds ridiculous. The electrical energy plan? No way. What about the happening now plan? Bingo. That fits perfectly. So in this sentence, current absolutely means happening now. See how that works? Pretty cool, right? Now, let's do one together. We'll walk through the first couple of steps and then you'll take the lead. This time, our word is surface. Okay, let's start with step 1. Read the whole sentence with me. After the rain, workers tested the surface of the slide before children used it. Easy peasy. We've got our context. And here are the possible meanings for surface. Could it be the outer or top part? Maybe to appear suddenly? Or a difficult problem? Or maybe even a deep layer underground? Wow, lots of options.
Okay, time for step 2, finding that clue. Take a close look at the sentence. You see it? The key words are right there after surface. Of the slide. That little phrase tells us everything we need to know. We're talking about a physical part of something. All right, I found the clue with you. Now it's your turn to finish the job. Move on to step 3 and test out those meanings. Based on our clue, of the slide, which one of those definitions fits the sentence like a glove? You're doing awesome. I think you're ready to fly solo and try the whole routine by yourself. Now you get to be the detective. I'll give you the sentence, you follow the steps. You got this. Here we go. The sentence is, Mia wrote a first draft of the letter asking for more trees near the park. And the word we're zeroing in on is draft. And here are your choices for draft. Could be a cool breeze, an early version of a paper, picking players for a team, or a type of drawing line. Okay, it's all you. Go ahead and pause right here. Use the 3-step routine, read the whole sentence, find your clue, test the meanings, and pick your answer. I'll be here when you get back. Okay, are you back? Ready to check your work? The big clue in that sentence was the phrase, of the letter. Since we're talking about a letter, that points us straight to something about writing. So the correct meaning of draft here is an early version of writing. How'd you do? I bet you nailed it.
You are on a roll. Let's do just one more to really make this skill stick. This last one is all you. The sentence is, the city will park a new mobile library on this street every Tuesday. And here are your choices. Hey, look at that. We've come full circle back to the word park. But now you have the routine to solve it, no problem. After this is over, take a second to apply those 3 steps and lock in your final answer. And this all boils down to one huge takeaway. When you see a word with multiple meanings, don't just grab the one you know best. You have to be a word detective. Your job is to choose the meaning that the sentence actually proves. Let the clues in the sentence be your guide, and you'll never get lost.